Here is how to download a songs on Spotify without Spotify Premium. Now, the first you want to do is open the song you want to download. Now, the best thing about this is that you can even download an album for totally free without premium. Now, the first you want to do is open the playlist or album you want to download or song. And now, what you want to do if you want to download an album is to click these three dots at the top of the album and click share. And once you click share, you want to click copy link at the bottom. Now, once you've clicked copy link, you want to click X. And then if you want to download a song just like that, you can click these three dots beside the song and then click share and copy link. But for this tutorial, we're downloading the album. So now to go back, you head over to your Google Chrome after you've gone back. And now you want to search for Spotify Music Downloader. And once you search for Spotify Music Downloader, you're going to see this first website pop up called Spotify Downloader. Now, this is best for it. You want to click on the Spotify Downloader, and once you've clicked on it, this is going to pop up. And then paste in your link, which you just copied earlier, into this box. And once you pasted in your link, you want to click download. And once you click download, all the albums is going to download fully. Your songs in the album are going to be downloaded completely to your device. So that's it. Please watch.